Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you so much for joining us. We have another YouTube live stream.
Yeah, we're going to start the live stream pretty soon. Now it's an audio test.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, to make sure that you guys can hear us perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So if you guys hear us, please, well, leave a chat.
Yeah.
Leave a message in the chat. I see you are, talking to each other, right?
Yeah, you guys are actually, already started the conversation there.
Yeah, that's right. That's why we have the chat. We socializing there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, well, hey, do you guys hear us? Well, there is a little bit of a delay, between your chat and ours.
Sure.
Yeah. So, right. Let's see. All good. Thank you, Chris.
Cool.
All good. Oh, wow. We have a lot of viewers today.
Yeah. Same as usual. We always got lots of viewers.
I'm a little bit surprised because people are supposed to be on vacation.
That's right. It's summertime. I guess you guys probably currently are on your holiday, right?
Or you get stuck in the office like us.
Probably.
Probably. Oh. How's the beach? Well, the beach is...
Check this.
Yeah, you like that? You see the cloud? It's actually moving. You see the cat? Yeah? Here. The cat is here. Right. The cat is here. We got our coconut. Yeah. This is the beach.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Wow. Sweet. All right. It seems like, the audio is working fine.
Yeah.
People can hear us. So how about we just get going?
I guess we can just jump into directly.
All right. Hello, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Once again, this is a official greeting.
Yeah.
Sure. To you guys.
It's quite special for today's live stream, I guess, because previously we two are always sit there or stand there, talking about a lot of things, like that, be a square or something. But today we're just having fun here.
A virtual fun?
Yeah, virtual fun. Interesting, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, you know what, guys? Tell your story. Previously, we were talking about this. I told Ramon that I guess probably our audience they're just currently on their holiday.
Yeah.
And he told me that we have to work, but I said, no, this is not like working. We're also on our holiday. This is like a virtual holiday.
This is a virtual holiday. You see that? It's two-dimensional, but it's holiday.
Yeah, sure.
It's a new concept.
Absolutely.
Virtual holiday, remote working.
Yeah.
Well, this is how this works.
Right.
This world works right now, right? So the reason why we have this live stream, we are trying very hard to get to steal 1 hour out of your vacation, out of your summertime, from your life. Right. Well, the reason why we have this live stream is because, we do release upgrade.
Recently, we got a new firmware, and I'm pretty sure you guys already upgraded on your system.
Yeah, well, you try out the new features yet? Oh, if you didn't, well, today we're going to talk about those new features.
Exactly, right.
And of course, you know it, we know it.
The big deal.
Yeah, the big deal for today is the software edition.
That's right.
Right?
I guess as we promised, a couple of months ago, we've been talking about this a lot. So I guess we promised that we're going to have the software edition on July.
On July.
Now it's July.
Man of words.
Right.
Okay. We said it. Now it's here.
Sure. Yeah.
On July, the software edition.
Yeah.
Of course. Today we will bring you more details. Okay.
Of course.
So this is how this live stream will go. All right. First of all, we are talking about the new features. Right. Come with the upgrade. Then we are going to talk about the software edition. Yeah, software edition. And then for the last part, we have a little bit...
Yeah, something very interesting. You guys can probably see it over here. We dropped the agenda.
Here.
It's called Expect the Unexpected.
Yeah, expect the unexpected.
Yeah, like a tongue twister. I don't even know what are we going to talk about it there.
We are supposed to talk about some plan. Well, not actually talk about it, but we do have big plan. We do have big plan in September, right? So we're supposed to talk a little bit about it, right? Yeah. So this is our plan.
Yeah.
But it's our holiday.
Yeah, sure.
Even though it's virtual.
You got your coconut. Where's my coconut?
Where is your coconut?
It's over here. I also got a coconut, guys. So enjoy.
Oh, you can hear that?
Yeah, sure.
That's a real coconut.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right.
I really need it. We need a summer. Well, we see a lot of audiences from South Africa. I guess it's not technically summer for you guys, but you guys really need a summer. I know.
That's right.
And we need a real summer as
well.
Yeah. Okay. So, let's get direct into it, right?
Yeah.
I need my coconut.
Yeah, you can hold it. I'm going to start talking. Okay, so guys, like we mentioned before, we got this new firmware. We got a bunch of new features. Then first, the new feature I'm going to talk about here is going to be the CRM integration.
CRM integration.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well, so this feature is supported, and our plan is we're going to support lots of CRMs.
For sure. That's right. With this upgrade,
we have the first one.
Zoho.
Exactly. Yeah. Right.
Zoho is now added in our CRM integration.
That's right.
It's not only back in the P-Series PBX.
Yeah, sure.
But
we actually also add some new functions.
Yeah.
Previously, we do have this solution on the S-Series PBX. We can use the integration, realize, I guess, 3 major functions, like incoming call pop-up, click to call, and call journal synchronization.
Yeah.
So this time we add 2 more new functions.
Yeah. The first new function is contact synchronization.
That's right.
Yeah, but that's very easy to understand. That means, the contact in Zoho and the contact in our PBX, the local contact, will sync. All right. And then we have new contact auto saving.
That's right.
Well, we will talk about this.
We're talking about this later
afterwards.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. First of all, we're going to showcase the Zoho integration.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
that's right. So guys, we've already figured out the integration, and you can see here, my big screen now, I have my web client is working now.
Yeah.
But I don't have my Zoho here.
No.
What I'm supposed to do is, I guess I can just grab my phone, I'm going to make a call to my extension. Let's see what's going to happen, right?
Well, let's call pop out.
That's right. I'm calling now. Let's just wait for a while.
Let's wait for a while. Okay.
There you go.
Wow, it's fast.
Yeah, that's right. So
Zoho
now you guys
CRM.
can see this.
You see, Zoho CRM.
Yeah.
And
you guys can see that's my contact information, right?
Call pop out.
That's right.
As we promised.
Yeah.
Well, this is standardized.
Yeah, this is something very basic, but it's really helpful, especially for people who's gonna, handle their, management of their contacts. It's really helpful.
That's only a proof that we really did the integration. Well, it's summertime.
Sure. Anyway, let's just keep going.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, and also you guys can see here we have the contact numbers. So if you want to have the click to call feature, well, just go for it.
Yeah.
By the way, don't forget to get the Chrome extension, which is Yeastar Linkers for Google.
Yeah, and of course, we also support CTI mode.
That's right.
Yeah, that means if you like to work with your IP phones, it's okay.
Yeah, just simply switch your web client to CTI mode.
And it will work with your IP phones as well. Of course.
And also, by the way, I guess there's another deal, guys. Check on this. I got a closed activities. This is the place for you to figure out the call journal synchronization. It's all here.
It's all here.
I actually made a lot of calls before.
You see that even it's summer vibe.
Yeah.
We are pretty serious about this. We made a lot of tests, right? Well, the thing is, our PBX will update the CDR to the Zoho.
That's right.
To the Zoho platform. So, all the call logs will be synchronized according to each contact.
Exactly.
So that means if there are that means under each contact, like you see here, the call history will be shown in the closed activities.
Sure.
Right, and including inbound calls and outbound calls.
Yeah.
So you will be able to see when all the
I'm pretty sure this is very easy for you to manage your contacts, manage your daily work. For example, like you said, some sort of task. Well, check this.
Yeah, check this.
That's right.
Well, because in some company, they will need evidence, right? Like especially call center,
right?
They will need evidence that you really did this call.
Yeah, that's right.
Here is your evidence.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so these are
basically these are all the 3 major functions what we did before. Now it's just back on the P-Series system. And how about we talk about the new functions?
Yeah, the new functions. All right, let me talk about the new functions. The first is the contact synchronization. Well, not much to explain it there really. It's we already
get the contact.
Yeah, you get your contact on your P-Series PBX. You got your contact information in your Zoho, and then they will sync. Well, that's how it works, right?
Yeah.
And the next one is new contact auto saving. That means, for example, you receive a call, an outbound call, from an unknown
like a random customer. Right. You don't even know who's this.
Well, probably new, probably someone that is missing from. Anyway, it's not in your Zoho CRM. And well, the PBX will update the caller ID to the Zoho. And if it's new, the Zoho will automatically create a new contact or a new lead according to your configuration there. Well, in an automatic way. And there, you will have your new contact automatically created for you. So all you need is to add other information to complete all the information after the conversation. Right?
It's really functional, especially like you're out of the office currently. It's not going to be that easy for you to back on the Zoho for editing, something like that. Well, it really doesn't matter. You got a call right now and that information will be synced automatically. Just create a new content on your Zoho.
And it works for inbound calls and outbound calls.
That's right.
And you can choose to work with one of them. Only work for inbound call or outbound call or both of them.
That's right.
Right? So it's all depend on you. Right? So these are the major features we have for
Zoho CRM. This Zoho CRM integration. And by the way, I guess just like Ken mentioned before, what we're going to do is not just the Zoho integration. We're also going to have some other CRMs integration. I guess the next one will be Salesforce.
Salesforce. You have our word.
Yeah, we're the man of word. You mentioned it.
Well, the thing is, it's summertime. We're on virtual vacation, so for 1 hour, we don't have to be responsible for what we say.
Oh, come on.
I'm only joking.
We can actually confirm with that.
Well, the next one will be Salesforce. Yeah, but we're also working on other like HubSpot.
Sure.
But working on the other CRMs.
Sure.
Just please. We will do as fast, as quickly as we can. Okay. Well, there are a few things that we need to mention about the Zoho.
About
CRM.
the integration.
First of all, with the Zoho integration, now it works with any version of Zoho. So that means
that's really cool. That basically means you guys can have any kind of version of your Zoho, even the free version. Because Zoho, they provide you, free version, standard version, advanced version. I don't know. It doesn't matter. You can even use the free version. For example, this
for
one.
the integration.
This one. Anyway, on my screen, version. That's a free version of
because
Zoho.
All our budget goes here.
Okay. It's a good one.
Sweet. Okay, right. The other thing is that, well, we all know that Zoho is a cloud-based service.
Sure,
right? But for now, P-Series PBX is deployed locally.
It's still an on-premise solution. So I guess the problem is you probably worry about that. Hey, this is the on-premise system. Then when I try to figure out the integration with something based on cloud, I need to figure out the network configuration. At least it makes this PBX being accessible in the public network. Well, then what's the deal this time?
Well, you guys know that we have FQDN. Right, the remote access service that will give all of our PBX deployed locally a domain, right? It's totally secure private tunnel, right?
That's right.
So this way we can realize the interconnection with RAS, with the FQDN. So problem solved, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, so to really integrate with Zoho CRM, you have to subscribe.
Just don't forget to subscribe it
and activate RAS. This is how it works. All right. And there are, the firmware requirement above me here, right? For the PBX firmware, you see the, the version and for the software edition, right? By the way, in the future, software edition and hardware edition will be updated simultaneously.
Simultaneously, of course.
That means every time we have an update, the both
it will be available on both of them,
and the functions will be synchronized.
The
the functions will be updated as well. This is how it works. All right. So one thing that I leaked about the software edition. Okay.
No, we're supposed to talk about that later.
That's okay. My coconut is fun.
Okay. All right. So anyway, I guess that was about the first feature we have here, the integration with the CRM, the Zoho.
Okay. Then we have
another new feature, guys. Another new feature we have this time is called phone books.
Phone books.
That's right. So about the phone books, I guess previously you do have such a solution to manage your contacts on your P-Series system. It's called Contacts. Right. So previously our management, I think, is functional, but it's not that good enough.
For some company with high requirement, it's not enough.
Sure.
Right. Like for example, in our company we have sales department.
Absolutely.
We have in most companies,
purchase team, sales department, accounting office,
multiple groups, working according to their own departmental function.
Absolutely.
Right. This is how it works. But like for example, for sales team, most of their contact will be their client.
That's right.
Right. For our sales team, the contact will be you guys. Right? And for our purchase team, that will be our suppliers.
Absolutely.
Right?
Mostly it's going to be suppliers.
So the ones who have all the chips.
Yeah, chips, guys.
All right. Okay. Let's not get into this.
All right.
So in some company, it's a quite sensitive topic. Right?
Yeah, you cannot access, different contacts, cross access.
Yeah, like for sales team, they cannot access to the.
This is out of control.
Suppliers, right? Things like that, and so with our contact, the old contact, it's either visible or invisible.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
You only have two options
to every authorized extension.
Exactly.
It's not enough, right? So now in phone books, we can actually divide all the contacts into different groups.
Yeah.
And manage the visibility and permission to edit the contacts by department.
That's right.
Or by specific extensions.
Yeah, for example, check on this, guys.
Check on this.
Guys, you guys can see my screenshot here. I'm actually, this is my contacts feature, by the way, but you will see something different. All right, check on my screen now. I have a bunch of groups, and I guess we even have coconut supplier.
Coconut guy. Drink to coconut guy.
Yeah. Sure.
Wow.
So I think this is kind of like we can probably call this as like a Contacts Pro.
Yeah. Well,
why not?
Like
it's like a Contacts Pro. You can absolutely make your contacts being divided, being separated in different groups, and you can also manage your internal group members in different groups.
Yeah,
make
like for example,
everything be more specific.
Yeah, like for example, right? The clients group, the group of clients, right, will be visible only to the sales department.
Sales department.
But only the manager will be able to see. Only the manager will be able to editing on the contacts. Like for example, if that's how you want it to work. That's only an example. Okay. Yeah. So this is our phone book. We add more features to it, right? And it will work on more scenarios and match those who have higher requirements. Right?
Exactly.
All right.
And also, by the way, I guess phone books feature it's in the subscription plan.
The phone book is in subscription plan.
Sure. So if you never subscribe the plan, you will only have the basic contact.
The contact that we that we
subscribe the enterprise plan, you will be able to have the Contacts Pro feature.
The phone book.
Right.
The phone book. The official name is
phone books. I'm sorry, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Anyway,
I'm sober. Wow.
Okay, you're sober, right? Okay, good for you. All right.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one.
Yeah, sure. Why not? So I guess basically that was all we have for phone books. Next feature, this is quite interesting. Honestly, I love this feature so much. It's called voicemail transcription. So about the voicemail transcription, as we know, the voicemail is a basic feature, very fundamental. Usually the way how we get the voicemail is just the audio message.
Well,
that's the only way you can, check your voicemail.
Yeah. Okay, let me tell you a story.
There you go.
Right? You're in a conference with a group of people, important people in your company. Your boss is talking.
Oh, okay.
And now you receive a voicemail from a very, very important client.
Yeah, it's time for you to make a decision now.
Well, you really need to know what it is.
Yeah.
Right? You keep thinking about it, but your boss is talking.
Yeah.
You cannot just get out of the room, right?
So I guess
you cannot just grab your phone and listen to it while your boss is talking.
That's so rude. That basically means you're gonna kick your boss, right?
Oh yeah. So that's a problem, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's only one scenario.
Yeah.
Right. Well, there are other scenarios.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So our solution here with this voicemail transcription is that we can take the voicemail, which is an audio, right, and transcript it
to the text version.
To a text.
Now you're going to read the message, not listen to the message.
Yeah, and save your career.
Let me just make a call.
All right.
Yeah, because I got my phone here. Why not? Why
you
not?
see all the voicemail we got in here, right? In here. Sorry.
So, I'll make a call on my extension now. Let's just wait for a while. I think this feature is really cool, to be very honest, guys. I'll show you later. So let's just wait for this.
CRM is here.
Forget about CRM. I don't need CRM now.
Okay. Don't forget about them. Just,
okay.
Okay.
I need the voicemail now.
Dial 2000 cannot be connected now. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
Okay. Hey, how's it going? This is Jason. Please call me back. I think that's enough. All right, let's back on PBX. Let's give it a check here.
Yeah.
So we can simply jump into the web client, click on your voicemail, and there you go. You'll be able to see this. That's the first. That's the one I just dropped it there.
Yeah.
Right. So here you can absolutely click on the button, play it directly. If you want to lose your job.
Yeah.
If you want to kick your boss, go ahead.
If you want your boss to hate you and give you very, very ugly look,
okay, you can do it. Well, I'm not gonna do it. This time I'm just gonna switch it on this one, view text. So simply click on that. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Our system will give you this pop-up. Check on this. Hey, how's it going? This is Jason. Please call me back. That's the text version of your voicemail.
Okay, this is how you save your career.
That's right.
Whoa, yeah. Okay, so this is text to speech to text.
That's right.
Right, speech to text. Well, this is.
I think probably our audiences, they have a question right now. Is hey, how do you guys realize this little magic?
Well, all right. Let's talk about this. Okay, and please turn. Oh, all right.
Okay, sure.
Okay. All right. So, well, we need to explain how it works. All right.
Exactly.
We got this. Yeah, the topological graphic here. All right. Okay. So basically, the PBX will receive the audio. Right?
Yeah, of course.
The voice message.
That's the way how you get the voicemail.
And the voice will be sent to Google STT platform.
That's right.
Yeah. STT is speech to text.
Realized by API.
Yeah. So it's on Google, right? And that explains why it loaded for a while, right?
Sure.
For like 3 seconds.
Yeah, you're actually going to get the information from Google Cloud.
Yeah, and the Google Cloud will switch that into speech.
Yeah.
And into text.
Into text.
Sorry, Coconut talking.
Are you software?
Coconut talking. It will be switched to text and sent back to the PBX.
Sure. And then for you guys, just use your terminals like web client, like your mobile client, whatever. Check it.
Yeah. So this is how it works. Right. So to make it work, you have to make sure that your PBX get access to the public network because it has to be connected to the the Google service, right? And then one very important thing, the integration is realized by API, right?
Exactly.
Well, the thing is, the interface of Google STT service is not entirely free.
All right. Yeah. They might probably charge you.
They will charge for the API interface.
Do we charge them?
No, we don't.
Good thing, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Relax. We don't. Well, that means you will have to pay Google.
Yeah, you probably need
API
to pay for
interface.
the service.
Well, their paying mechanism is different because I believe they charge by
I guess they charge it by minutes.
Yeah,
like
the length of
you drop a voicemail there, they just check how many minutes are you going to use it there.
Yeah, so that works differently.
Sure.
Right? But on our side, all you need is very, very, very simple configuration in the interface, and you need to go to Google Cloud platform to get the new project, to create an API and get the API key, things like that, and you will be able to realize the integration.
That's right.
Right. This is how it works. And if you are interested in one important thing here, very well, we know that Google support. Google STT support a lot of languages, and we do that as well.
Yeah.
We also support a lot of languages, but you still need to choose the language that you are actually using.
Be very careful with that, all right? If you want to configure this feature, there's language options, so make sure you're going to select the one which you're using there. Now, for example, I do remember previously I set the language as British English, but my accent is obviously not British English, so I get something a little bit weird. Something doesn't make sense.
Yeah, well, just imagine if you speak another language.
That's right.
So you choose your language, right? And if you have activated a voicemail to email function, then you will receive an email.
That's right.
You will receive an email with the text
version.
In text, right? So this is about the notification,
exactly.
Right? And I just see the question there, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And if you are using our Linkus Mobile, of course, Linkus Mobile, and you will be able to receive the voicemail.
Yeah, of course.
Right? And you will be able to read it.
Like what you did on the web client.
Yeah, so it works on mobile and web client.
Yeah.
Right? This is how it works, right?
Sure.
And of course, you will receive an email if you activate that function. All right. So, this is
I guess that was all about this one, right? Voicemail,
new feature.
transcription.
Yeah, the new features that we have.
Yeah.
For now, okay.
So, any questions?
Well, we have a lot of questions, but guess what?
Probably we can.
Evelyn is here.
All right, great. Okay, cool.
So we don't need to do anything here, right? Thank you, Evelyn. Oh, but we will get to your questions afterwards, okay?
Yeah.
First of all, we will be talking about the features. Right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So besides those major updates, major functions, major features, we also have something else added in this new firmware. Probably you guys just noticed it on your new firmware.
Yeah.
I guess the first one is going to be auto provisioning. I think we have some update there, right?
Yeah. Well, they are equally important, but doesn't take that much time to explain, right?
Yeah,
so first of all, now we support GNOME for auto provision.
Which models?
Okay, D120, D315, D335, D385, D717, D735, and D785.
Honestly, guys, there's a signboard. I can see nothing. He's supposed to be a pilot.
The thing is, no offense to GNOME, I guess this is probably why we don't do IP phones.
Okay.
So many models.
Right.
Okay. But the thing is, now we support GNOME.
Yeah.
Right. So if you're working with GNOME, good news for you, good news for us.
Absolutely.
Right. And then there is another brand.
Yep.
EdgeTech.
It's going to be EdgeTech.
Yeah. So why don't you read the models?
I'm sorry, I cannot see it, and there are so many models.
Yeah, it's quite a lot.
Check this, guys.
Yeah. So now we also support EdgeTech phones.
Sure.
We also support EdgeTech phones, and we know that a lot of our Asian partners are working with EdgeTech. So good news for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, these are auto provision, and there are two other functions.
Yeah.
Right.
I guess one thing our customers, our audiences were asking this a lot, which is DHCP server, because I got lots of questions about the DHCP server almost every single day in my webinar. Now, guys, it's back on the P-Series PBX. So if you want to use your P-Series PBX to assign IP addresses for IP phones or some other terminals, go ahead. DHCP server is there.
Yeah, it will make your life a lot easier.
Absolutely.
Right. And then we have outbound call frequency restriction. So this is basically a
security mechanism.
Yeah. Well, that means the system will keep an eye on the outbound call frequency on each extension. If that surpasses the limitation that you set for each extension, you can have universal limitation or specific one for specific extension.
That's right.
Then the system will just go straight to ban this extension.
Yeah.
Well, this will keep you safe. Well, if you get hacked, and fraud costs are happening, the system can just block the extension,
That's right.
hacked extension. So this is how it works.
Right.
Okay. All right. So these are the new features.
Basically, these are all the features we have on this new firmware.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. And I guess since I mentioned we have some important updates, some important features on the new firmware, I think we also changed our not changed. I guess we have some modification on our subscription plans, right?
Yeah. Well, we already mentioned it, but here we would like to make it clear, right?
That's right. So guys, give it a check here. So your basic plan on your P-Series PBX is still going to be the basic plan, all right? Still
it's not going to change.
Well, for the enterprise plan, a little bit different. So this time we just add the phone books feature and also the CRM integration feature in the enterprise plan.
Yeah.
And for the ultimate plan, well, do the same thing. What you have on the enterprise plan, you're going to have all of them. And besides, you will have video conference, video call. That's it.
Yeah. Well, I guess you guys now know what we're trying to do here.
Yeah, sure.
Right? So a lot of our new features will be added into our subscription plan. So if you are already subscribed, that means you will get your features.
Yeah,
keep going. It just keep going.
With
it just keep going
features.
with new features.
Yeah.
Well, this is how it works. So please, it will be more and more, just worth it.
Absolutely, your subscription is just worth it.
Yeah, worth it. Worth it for the customers. Yeah. That will be good for a business.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the new features.
Yeah.
Right? These are the new features that we mentioned. So I guess now we're about to talk about.
We're about to talk about the big deal. So please send us back on the beach.
Send us back
on the beach. And I'm
gonna
take my coconut now.
Yeah, I already finished mine.
Okay.
It's gone. But don't worry about it.
Get another one. All right.
We have another coconut.
Okay.
Need a proof? This is the old one. This is the new one. Okay, we really need this is summer vibe, please, guys. Summer vibe. Wow, this one tastes better.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one tastes better. Yeah. This is my software edition coconut.
All right. Okay. Drink to it.
Drink to the software edition. Cheers. Yeah. Wow. I guess there's something fun in your coconut as well. Okay, so software edition.
Now, big deal.
Yeah. I guess.
Now, first of all, what is the software edition?
Oh, it's a piece of software.
Okay, that's a good answer. That's a pretty good answer.
Yeah, and that's a PBX.
Okay.
Basically, you can install that in a local server.
Yeah.
Right? And you can install that on a cloud server. Mm-hmm. If you install that on a cloud server, it can be a data center, your own data center or a third party like AWS. Yeah. Right? If you do that, that means you will have an
single instance cloud PBX.
Yeah, for the customer, right? Or you can install that on a virtual machine.
Yeah, absolutely. Right? So I guess the software edition means you have such a flexible deployment. Yeah. Comparing with the hardware system.
Yeah, you have way more option on the deployment.
Absolutely.
And no hardware.
Yeah.
Right? No hardware. That means no transportation, no logistic, no import.
Absolutely. Save a lot of
money. No hardware.
Money.
That means no chips. No shortage of chips.
No chips, this guy. All right.
Okay, all right. No, it's not a joke, it's true, but it's an advantage there, well, in this world that we are facing. Okay, this is, the options that we have.
That's right.
The software edition. And of course.
Yeah, because this is software based, it's virtualized, then I think we might probably have another question. So who's going to be the target customers?
Well, the thing is, first of all, it comes with totally the same features.
Exactly.
Right? Totally the same features. And this means, features. Right. So this is on JSON. All right? This is on JSON. We're supposed to talk about the features. Okay? Okay. Well, we have totally same features. Yeah. Totally same interfaces. The configuration method are the same. So everything you have on the P-Series hardware version, the UC functions, the video conference, the operator panel, blah 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 blah. Okay. Sorry, I'm not supposed to say that with our own PBX. All the new feature, all the cool features will be there.
Can't you be a little bit serious?
In the same. Oh, how can you be serious on the beach? Come on. Okay, we're on a beach.
All right.
Okay. Everything is there. You don't have to learn a brand new system. Everything is just the same. Sure. You just need to know about the installation and you are good to go.
Even for the training guys, same thing.
Well, good news for him.
Yeah, good news for me. Yeah.
All right. So, and you already mentioned target customer.
Yeah, target customers. Now let's talk about this. Okay, so as we know, our hardware solution, the P-Series on-premise system, is just designed for SME customers. Yeah. So I think the software edition is more like a solution designed for mid-sized or even the large organizations. Why? Let me explain to you. First of all, as we know, this is gives us a lot of flexibilities to deploy your system on any kind of server. Yeah. Hardware server, virtual machine, or even the cloud server. You do have that flexibility, right?
Well, the bigger customers are more likely to have the infrastructure. Right?
Sure. And also, by the way, this is the software edition, so it means for the expansion, it's way better than the hardware solution.
Easier, a lot easier. Yeah.
Because hardware solution, you only have 3 options: P550, P560, P570.
Yeah.
Those, system capacity is not that easy
and it
for
takes
you
time
to change
to
it.
install the.
You need
PBA.
the chip. You need the chip.
No, well, it takes time. The transportation,
Sure.
the
even the deployment.
Yeah, the storage. Yeah, it takes time, right?
Well, for the software edition, it's pretty simple. If you want to change the capacity, well, there you go, very easy. Which I'm going to explain it a little bit more a little bit later. And more importantly, is for big organizations, I guess what they care about the most is going to be the security.
Yeah.
Absolutely, because like Ramon mentioned, you probably have your own infrastructure, so you can deploy the whole thing on it. Yeah. Everything's just under your control.
Yeah, so it's a software edition. It can be deployed on your own infrastructure.
Exactly.
It's more secure. It's easier to scale up, scale down.
That's true.
And with all the great features, so it's more suitable for bigger customer who have higher requirement.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, since I mentioned this is going to be a pretty good solution for big organizations, I guess you guys probably want to know, hey, exactly how many users can we have there? Well, please, let's give it a check here. Well, you can probably see it on the big screen. Let me just explain something interesting here. First of all, guys, check on this. Currently, well, you need to listen very carefully, okay? Currently, we can support 500 users, 125 concurrent costs.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we do have a plan. We do have a big plan in the future, which means this system, the software edition, will be able to support maximally 8,000 users in the future, guys.
Yeah.
You're right, 8,000 users. That's crazy.
8,000 users and 2,000 concurrent calls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
This is the, the final picture here.
Exactly.
Right? It's what we're going to do. At this moment, it works with 500 users and 125 concurrent calls. This is the version that we have for now, right?
Yeah.
This is maximally, right? The max capacity, right? And it works. It is based on Ubuntu, right?
Sure.
Ubuntu, so that means it's a Linux-based system, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, and you can if you install that on a virtual machine, it can be installed with VMware or Hyper-V.
Yeah.
So both environment.
Yeah. How about we check on the screen? Talk about
it's
the
already
server
there.
requirement.
Oh, so you really cannot see that? It's already there.
There?
Here.
I'm not you. You're a pilot. You're supposed to be a pilot.
Right. Okay. So here we have the server requirement. Yeah. So if you have your local server, here is the requirement.
Check this.
Yeah. And here we have, if you're on a virtual machine, there is the server requirement. Yeah. Right. And once again, if you install that on a cloud server,
you can do it.
Same thing.
Just do it.
Same thing. Yeah. We have tutorials and document about the installation, right?
Of course.
Yeah. So here, we are not going to read through all the requirements. No.
You can do it.
No.
You got a pilot eyes.
No, I'm not going to do that. Please take a screenshot if it's necessary. You see that we just specially designed this page. Here,
so we're not going to cover anything.
Yeah, so we don't block anything. Take a screenshot, and of course we have more detailed information. We have all the documents, and we have all the installation guides and stuff.
I think you guys can check in our, the description. I think
in the link in the chat, I think they will drop a link.
Yeah. And you can also visit our website anyway.
Yeah. And
let's talk about something, something a little bit serious, all right?
Yeah.
We actually need to talk about the business. So how do we do the business with this software edition? Well, things are going to be a little bit different. First of all, guys, it's not hardware-based. It's not on-premise solution.
Yeah.
So I don't think we have a basic plan, something that...
No, we don't sell by box.
Yeah, we actually provide you guys the subscription plan, this kind of business model directly. So it means your business model is absolutely the recurring business model.
Yeah. It's annual payment.
That's right.
Yeah.
And
annual revenue.
Yeah, sure. And also, as for how do we get started?
Yeah.
I think our business mode here is also quite flexible and it's really to start.
Yeah.
I guess we have a starter pack. It's called Initial Pack. Which gives you guys 100 users, 25 concurrent calls.
Yeah, that's the minimum that you can get.
Yeah.
Right, that's the minimum that you can get, 100 users and 25 concurrent calls.
Exactly.
Don't get scared
because of 100 users.
Because 100 users. See the price, and you will know.
It's just a starter pack, guys.
It's really a starter pack.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's really easy. It's really a competitive product, competitive price, easy for the customer to start up.
Exactly.
Yeah. And well, if you need to, expansion, the capacity, you can get an expansion pack that will give you an extra 100
users, 25 concurrent calls. With this expansion pack.
Yeah, with the extension pack, this is how it works, right?
Yeah.
So you can just pile it up.
Yeah.
Pile it up.
Simple and plain.
For now, up to 500 users and 125 concurrent calls.
Yeah. Eventually, there will be 8,000 users, guys. Crazy.
8,000 users and
so crazy.
And 2,000 concurrent calls. Well, that will work for big corporations.
Yeah.
Right.
Sure.
Well, actually, I have already heard like 2 or 3 reports from the R&D.
Oh, they already got something there.
They are doing this right now.
Okay.
Right. So
Great.
wait for it. So now this is pretty much the strategy here, right?
Sure.
For the P-Series PBX, it's the medium size, right? For the software edition, that will be target to
large
those who
organizations.
Have, in most cases, bigger organizations, but to those who have higher requirement on their PC, on their telephone system, right? Well, it will go there.
This is also going to be a pretty good choice.
Yeah. So if you're interested.
If you're interested, guys,
I need coconut. So
just go ahead.
Keep going.
All right. So guys, if you're interested about the software edition, you know what? We actually prepared something special for you. Check on this.
Yeah.
We currently provide you guys a trial license. It's available on our website. You can visit www.yeastar.com. Just be careful.
I think our team will send out the link here.
Yeah, sure. You guys can check in the description there.
They already did.
But one thing, be careful. If you visit our website, you can probably see there's an orange button, which is free trial. Don't click on it. If you click on that, that goes for Cloud PBX.
Yeah, Cloud PBX free trial. It's not that.
You actually need to click on products, find the software edition, then you go access this place. Then simply just click on get trial license. There you go.
Yeah.
Check on this. So this would be the application.
Yeah. You can just fill in your information and click submit, which is here on my shoulder. Here. On my shoulder. Yeah. You just complete your information, click submit, and you will get your trial license with no payment. Okay, no payment up front, no commitment. We can offer that to your customer. Yeah. Right? Or you can try it out by yourself.
Yeah. Once you submit your application there, I guess there will be a thank you page, right?
Yeah, you will get into a thank you page. There you can find the
installation pack, guidance, even the video tutorial.
They will all be there for you to download. So all the materials you need will be there, right?
It's a full pack.
It's a full pack. However, you're gonna need activation code.
Yeah, guys, don't forget
even for trial
code.
Even for trial license, you're gonna need an activation code. But you have this. You just submit your application. You will receive that very soon, right? And by the way, if you are already in Partner Portal. If you're already in Partner Portal, you can just go directly to your Partner Portal and get your activation code.
Yeah,
right.
Sure.
So immediately. If you're not in the Partner Portal,
this is just the time. You can apply for it, or you can just contact our local distributor directly.
Yeah. You can. If you're not, just go to your local distributor, right? And for commercial license, it works the same way. Right? If you're in a Partner Portal, just do that in your Partner Portal, right? And you will get your activation code for your commercial version, right?
Sure.
So for the official version. And one thing I have to mention that here. We mentioned it's a subscription base. Yeah. We only charge by the packs, initial packs and extension packs, right? So if there is, like for example, we also have enterprise plan and ultimate plan.
So it comes with two different prices.
Yeah, comes with, but it's the same as P-Series, the hot version, right? Sure. So, you will have one price if you choose enterprise plan. Yeah. I mean, for the packs, right? Sure. And the other with the ultimate plan. This is how it works, right? So we only charge by the packs. Yeah. We only charge by the packs. Okay. And so let's move on.
Yeah, let's just move on.
I guess that's pretty much all for the
software edition, I think.
Yeah. So if you're interested, please click on the. Please just go to the link in the chat and
yeah.
check
What was that? Description?
No, a chat. It's in a chat
panel. Chat panel.
Yeah. Check the chat. There's a link. Subscribe. Just submit your application, or if you're a partner, just go to.
Oh,
your
you
partner
got it.
portal.
Something. You're a coconut, I guess.
Oh yeah. All right. So right, we're back on the beach.
Yeah, back on the beach, and it's time for us to talk about something special.
First of all, in October.
Yeah.
P-Series cloud version.
Oh yeah, the cloud version.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, guys, we mentioned that if we install the software edition on the cloud server, then you will get a single instance.
A single instance cloud PBX.
Yeah, cloud PBX.
So October, this will be a real multi-instance cloud PBX.
Yeah, the full-on cloud PBX with all the management platform and things like that will be available on October. And this is how we plan this thing, right? Because with P-Series with software edition, we target higher level, clients, right?
Big organizations.
Yeah, P-Series remains the middle level.
Yeah.
And if that's cloud version, that means you can offer that
more
to really small companies.
Soho business, micro business, whatever. You do have that flexibility.
Yeah. So it will be available on October.
October.
Yeah.
Then what else do we have?
Expect the unexpected.
So what is that?
Well, let's
just expect it, all right?
Guys, to be honest, I'm not allowed to say
any word about it, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, we got this background, so start talking, all right?
We do have a launch event in September.
Right.
And we will announce a brand new product.
Sure.
Wow, that's all that I'm allowed to say. One more thing. This product has been already installed everywhere
in our office.
Yeah. We are actually using it. It makes our life a lot easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the office that we already have. Okay, that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Nothing else?
Allowed. No, I'm. Well, I got my brain.
Okay, all right.
Nothing else. Well, this is the most that can allow.
Anyway, guys, just like we mentioned here, it's something unexpected, and it's gonna be ready September. So you guys expect it.
Yeah, expect the unexpected. We have some questions, but Evelyn is there for the.
She already handled it, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Can I try virtual PBX, please? Please try the virtual PBX. Yeah, that's free. Trial for free. I'm sorry, for 30 days. Yes, of course. Yes. Okay. There are
what else?
Other questions. Okay. But Evelyn is there managing all those questions.
Appreciate it, Evelyn.
Thank you, Evelyn. So I guess that's all for today.
Yeah, I guess that was all for today, and we're back on beach again.
Our last minutes on this beach
for this virtual holiday. Okay,
and that's the most we can have because we have a lot of preparation to do. Yeah. For the cloud version, for the unexpected thing. All right, we have a lot to do there.
Right,
a lot to do. So we cannot have our vacation, but you guys can get back to your summer or winter. Well,
absolutely.
Just in case you're from,
the other hemisphere.
Yeah. But anyway, it's time for relax.
Yeah.
Right? So just go out there and
enjoy your holiday.
Enjoy your time with your family, with your loved ones, and be safe. That's the most important thing these days. Right? I guess that's pretty much all we have for now. Right? Okay. Wow. What is it?
What is it? It is something unexpected. Okay, that's a good answer.
Or maybe it's coconut. I don't know. All right. So I guess that's all. AWS, Azure. Oh yeah. We support Azure. Please, if you like to install the software edition on Azure. It's okay. We support that. Okay. Enjoy your time. Okay. Enjoy your holiday.
Right.
Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you so much for joining this live stream.
Yeah.
And enjoy your holiday.
Yeah.